Who would have thought November 22nd?
I know it. We were raking leaves a couple days ago. We were raking leaves.
Bill, did you see Ada come, or Violet get on the snowboard?
No. Did she do it?
Pretty good.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi, Hazel. Peekaboo. Yeah. You was a good little beezer. Yes, you are. Oh, too cute. Too cute. Oh, look at Julian's little snowsuit.
I know.
Look at it. Is that Julian? Oh, look at him. Oh, he's a little snow baby. Hey, you're a snow baby. Peter Rabbit.
Grandma Nathan. Hey, Cassie, look this way. Or maybe...